What country has deserts like the surface of the moon, volcanic mountains of ash, colourful coral reefs, and the longest river in the entire world? Well, it's Egypt, of course, and today we're learning all about its incredible geography. Hi guys, it's me, Mr. Bradley, and today we're learning about Egypt's physical geography. But before we begin, be sure to smash that subscribe button and answer the starter questions on your screen now. Egypt is a large, mostly desert country in North Africa. Its main physical features include deserts, sea, mountains, oasis, and of course, the mighty River Nile. First up, its deserts. Egypt has two main deserts on either side of the Nile, the Western Desert, part of the Sahara, and the Eastern Desert, next to the Red Sea. On our trip to Egypt, we endured a dusty journey, baking heat, and suspicious undercover police officers. Why? Well, to see this.
Hello and welcome to the moon.
The White Desert looks like the surface of the moon, and that's because it's made of soft chalk and limestone, shaped by thousands of years of desert winds into amazing rock formations, including the famous chicken mushroom. The Black Desert looks like it's been scorched by dragons. That's because it's covered in dark volcanic rock left behind by ancient eruptions millions of years ago.
This black mountain behind me was actually a volcano millions of years ago.
Here we camped out under the stars and were even visited by some desert wildlife, including a desert fox and a hopping jerboa. Next up, Egypt's two seas. To the north is the Mediterranean Sea, and to the east the warm, salty Red Sea. The Mediterranean Sea connects Egypt in Africa to Europe and the Middle East, great for ports and trade, while the Red Sea is famous for its coral reefs, warm waters, and some of the most colourful fish in the world. It's called the Red Sea because sometimes a special algae bloom turns the water a reddish brown, and it was here that we went on a snorkel tour with our amazing guide Mohammed. As we swam through the waters, we saw colourful coral reefs, pufferfish, stingray, moray eels, sea snakes, and even clownfish. But sadly, we also saw ghost nets. These are abandoned fishing gear that still trap sea life within them. Here you can see a fish that was stuck in the net. Thankfully, Mohammed was there to rescue it. Next up, mountains. Did you know Egypt has mountains too? An example of this are the Sinai Mountains, found in the Sinai Peninsula, a rocky triangle of land between Africa and Asia. These mountains are made of ancient granite and volcanic rock. The highest mountain in Egypt is Mount Catherine, standing at 2,629 meters tall. Fun fact, a peninsula is a piece of land that is almost entirely surrounded by water. Oases. Sometimes, deep underground water rises to the surface
to create passageways for the water. And here's one that we've discovered right now. Let's go. It's very tight. Whoa. The hole. Now, we gotta get out of here.
And the desert suddenly blooms.
It's like a jungle, isn't it?
These are called oases, like magical gardens in the sand. One famous example is Siwa Oasis, found near Egypt's western border. It has palm trees, lakes, and even ancient ruins. And finally, the River Nile, Egypt's lifeline. The River Nile is the longest river in the world, flowing over 6,600 kilometers from Central Africa northward into Egypt, ending in the Nile Delta on the Mediterranean Sea. Fun fact, a delta is a fan-shaped piece of land formed when a river meets a large body of water like a sea or lake. The Nile gives Egypt water for farming, cities and travel. Most people in Egypt live right beside it. Even though Egypt is a desert country, the Nile transforms the land, giving it fertile soil and water. And we could see this very clearly as we took a hot air balloon ride over this beautiful landscape. From the surface, the landscape we took off from was dusty, dry and desert. But as we rose, the contrast became clear. Miles of barren sand giving way to rich farmlands. The closer we floated towards the Nile, the more the land burst into colour. So we've come to the end of our video about Egypt's geography. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and be sure to check out some of the other videos on our channel. Head over to our website and you'll find some resources and activities that go along nicely with this video. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.